Hi guys! Another haul from Timo. And this, I love the color, guys. And it's long sleeve. You can wear spring, going to shorts, or going to daily daily life. Okay. Next item. It's funny. I thought it's pants in Temu because it's only like 13 bucks. It's jeans. It's a jeans, but it's it's a polyester. My God, don't trust in the picture. But look like it's comfy in summer. Okay, guys, another one, and but still spring now. I have this one.